Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bally Sports step by step clearly. To activate Bally Sports, start by downloading the Bally Sports app from your device's app store. Open the Bally Sports app after the download is complete. Select the option to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and proceed. If you are a new user, follow the prompts to create your account. Once logged in, you will be prompted to choose your TV provider. Select your TV provider from the list displayed on the screen. A new window will pop up, displaying instructions for activation. Take note of the activation code provided. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the activation URL provided in the app. Enter the activation code in the designated field on the website. Choose your TV provider again if prompted. Click on the Submit button to complete the activation process. Return to the Bally Sports app on your device. You should see a confirmation message acknowledging successful activation. Now you can start enjoying Bally Sports content on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.